Joey Cotumier from the College of Education, a fourth-year Bachelor of Secondary Education major in English.
Hello everyone, my name is Rana Gian Flores and I'm from 4B English.
I feel great and happy because this is my last time here in PLP, and I feel happy because I achieved a lot of achievements this first year to fourth year, and I will miss this PLP for long.
Pag-feel ko na last year ko na ngayon sa PNP is nakaka-pressure and nakaka-excite at the same time. Nakaka-pressure kasi syempre ang dami na rin namin although konti lang yung units, pero madami kami kailangan intindihin. So medyo mabigat din yung gawain. And nakaka-excite kasi this is another milestone for us.
My goals this academic year or even next year is to be graduated this year and to find a stable job for me.
Ang goal ko this academic year is makasurvive. Kasi katulad na mention ko kanina, nakaka-pressure and mabigat yung gawain. So I think parang kami nasa bottle of the fittest ngayong fourth year. So ang goal ko talaga is makasurvive. Yun lang.
The lessons that I learned or reflected in the entire year being in the pamantasan ng Luzon ng Pasig is time management is very crucial in every academic setting, because if you have time management, you can balance your to-do list, you can balance what you will be doing in the entire exams, you will be organized, and also you will not be distracted with any distractions like cell phones like that. So time management is very crucial at all.
Ang natutunan ko, simula first year hanggang fourth year is maging open-minded in the sense na kailangan matuto ka, lawakan yung pangunawa mo and pag-intindi mo sa mga bagay-bagay, lalo na mahabang journey din from first year to fourth year, so iba't ibang tao yung makakahalubilo mo and iba't ibang experience yung makukuha mo, and nasa sa'yo yun kung paano mo siya intindi. Therefore, it is important na open-minded ka and you know how to take things positively.
My message to the future PLPNs is just a simple message, is to do your best always and be grateful of all the things.
Ang message ko lang for the PLPNs, the upcoming PLPNs or anyone na mapipiling mag-aral here sa PLP is be consistent. Importante yung consistency, especially sa academic performance ninyo, kasi makaka-apekto yan sa magiging performance ninyo mula first year hanggang fourth year. And magre-reflect din yan sa inyo bilang individual.